Hello! In this video, we're going to start looking at solving equations with what we call rational exponents. Now, rational just means fractional, if you will. Okay, so fractional exponents. Here are the steps. First, get a rational exponent term by itself. The second step is to take both sides to the reciprocal of the exponent. And the third step is to solve. Okay, so let's look at this. We want to solve the following rational exponent equation. X to the 5/4 equals 32. Now, the rational exponent is the 5/4. So that means that we're going to want to take both sides to the reciprocal of 5/4. Now, reciprocal, all that means, if you will, is reciprocal. Okay, so flip this, makes this 4/5. So that means that we're going to take both sides to the 4/5 power. That means that the left-hand side, the 5/4 and the 4/5 cancel each other, leaving us with just x. And on the right-hand side, we have 32 to the 4/5 power. Well, here's the thing. The denominator, that is the index of a radical. The p is actually just the power still, so that's all that is. So the way that we would look at this is the 5th root of 32 all to the 4th power. The 5th root of 32 is 2, so it gives us 2 to the 4th power, and 2 to the 4th power is just 16. By the way, you don't actually need to know all of this. You could just type in 32 to the 4/5 power, and that's going to give you 16. Now, notice that I did not use a plus or minus here because notice what we're doing here. We're doing the 5th root. The 5th root is an odd root, which is not even. I mean, it kind of sounds weird to say that, but it's true. So if your index that you're taking is odd, then you don't need a plus or minus. But if it was even, you would. In other words, if your original numerator was even, you would use plus or minus. So if the original numerator is even, use plus or minus. That's one thing to keep in mind here. Alrighty, well, I believe that that is actually it for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Have fun.